blister. Mara, put your foot on blue. One foot on blue. Beta, put a foot on red. Mara, put a hand on green. No, a hand on green. It's got to be tough. Oh, you lost. You fell on your butt. I'm just kidding. Beta, put a hand on yellow. Now, Mara, put your other foot on red. Ooh, good job. Beta, now put both hands and feet on green. I was hoping she'd... Good job. I was hoping she'd fall on her butt. What's up, everybody? Beautiful day. It's day 5 here in Puerto Rico. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, day 5. We're gonna head out here in about an hour. These guys got me up pretty early, about 8 o'clock. But we have a tour book today from 11 to 5 in Yunque Rainforest. Should be pretty cool. You can see some natural water slides, some pools, some waterfalls. These guys are ready to go. Better go upstairs and get your swimsuit on. You ready to go, Beta? Yes. I could wake up to this view every single day, though.
Okay, so la
Doing good, Amara. Doing a jungle walk. You're doing good. Doing good. Hold on, Amara. Take your time.
I can only go as fast as the people in front of us.
You're doing good. Great job. Hey, Sebastian. You just want to hold her hand just in case she falls? Hold his hand when you walk down. Crazy.
Mama.
Crazy. Doing good, Amara. Good job. That's sick down here.
Not even that cold.
Good.
Weird.
Feels good.
These shoes.
Huh?
These shoes are not broken.
At least they're meshy, so like you can just they drain out good.
Yeah, we can.
We're walking in the river.
Guys, I can play in this water? No.
I mean, I wouldn't. If I brought my little filter thing, we could have.
You did?
I didn't bring the one with the outdoor screen. Careful.
Bro.
I would just sit like on one of the big rocks on the side. Walk right here. I'm waiting just a second. Alright, Betty, stand right here. Right there. Relax a minute. I gotta get Mara's hand. You guys are doing good. Perfect. Just relax a little bit. He's cutting up you guys some pineapple. These dudes are jumping off the rocks up there. The boys say they're gonna do it, but we'll see. We'll see if they can do it.
How do we get to go over there?
We're gonna wait for a little bit until it clears out, and then we'll walk
Jump
up.
off of it like a few times and get used to it, and then try.
Yeah. Yeah, the boys and Tessie went up there. They're gonna jump. I gotta stand down with these little babies for a minute. They just had some snacks, some. Oh! It's supposed to be like a 3-hour hike. I had that bait up on my shoulders. They're doing good though. Mara's hiking like a big girl. You don't want to jump off the cliff? Veda, you want to jump off the cliff? No? Yeah, we'll just watch. I'll tell you one thing though. There's no other 2- and 4-year-olds down here. You guys are brave. Rocks up first, it looks like. Oh! Good. Oh! Good job, Brock. Yeah. Let's go, kid. Oh! Good job. Let's go, Rhett. Oh! That was a good one. It ain't that high when you get to the top? You weren't nervous?
No.
Yeah, you guys all
Even
threw
Kian
this
did it
jump.
easily.
That's pretty sick though. Hopefully I can zoom in good on this camera.
Well, they took
Whoa,
videos.
whoa. Oh, they did.
The guy took a video for everyone.
Good. You guys want an orange?
It's so deep, like you're underwater for so long.
Am I missing?
Orange?
Go again.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm in orange too. Is it good?
You're good to swim though?
I can swim. Do we need our life jacket?
Swim. I mean, if you can swim, you can swim, I guess. Oh man, this is a crazy trail to get up here. You go through this part or this up here?
This way.
I'll follow you.
Step right here. Right.
Can you jump from up there? Yeah.
15, 20 minutes
That way.
to get point B.
Is at point B, is there like a slide?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's 2 slides.
Okay.
2 slides, and we have 1 more jump. Is it as high as this one? Or no? Like that one. That's a little bit taller. Like
Then this is at least gotta be like best thing we've done. Yeah. I've never cliff jumped though. I've always wanted to do this because I've just seen people doing this on like,
Skip a lot of
YouTube and
lines.
everything
I know.
like that.
You guys do the 15 or do the top? So this is 20 foot?
Yeah.
yeah.
And they
Well, you just
dive,
walk
like,
over to
they
that
dive
and
on
it's
it.
quicker.
Yeah. And like you're
You gotta do the
top.
You said at the next one there's like a 17-foot jump.
I'm a
And
little,
then 2 slides.
I'm a little nervous.
Dude, if we could do it, you can do it.
I know. It's a
There's
crowd
literally a
too.
little kid
I know. I
that was
seen
like
like
5.
yeah, I seen a little girl do it.
Jump by yourself.
She wouldn't do it. She'd freak out.
So you just shove her.
Yeah, right. It's child abuse,
Mark
right?
can't even go underwater yet.
Make her down.
Child
But
abuse.
then she might like it.
Maybe.
Or be terrified.
These little butterflies.
You're in the air
You
for
just
like 5
launch
seconds.
her off.
I wouldn't do that. When I was like 16, we went to Arkansas with my family when I was little. I'd say it was freaking side of that treetop right there, jumping off.
Like this?
But way
No, it was just
bigger.
a huge lake, but there was just a cliff that high. And I thought I was cool doing it. Then there was one twice as high, and a dude went up did a gainer off the top.
Like 80-foot one?
At
did a gainer?
least, no, I didn't. Some other kid went and showed me up. Some little kid.
Because you're in the air for so long.
I know. So where are you jumping? Just straight out, and then you go out that way?
You gotta go like to the right.
Oh, away from the
Over by
rope
that
swing.
group in, like the yellow, or just out. Hold the camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna look at this. Ooh, man. Yeah, right. Oh. Got it, man. You go ahead of me.
No.
Take a video of you.
I'm watching him do it.
Yeah. Go, Rhett. There you go. Go, Rhett. I got you. Yeah, that's pretty sick. That was awesome.
feel like you're in the airplane.
Your stomach just sinks.
Dad, watch me go on the rope. I'm going
Got-
to rope too.
All right, we gotta go around, go to the next one. All right, let's go. Oh.
The water's so refreshing.
Hey, Bob, bump heads doing that. That's dangerous. All right, you guys. Yeah. Very good. Very good. We can't. We gotta climb this wall. You hold it. Don't drop it. Hold it tight. Can I grab right here? Sure. Yeah, there you go. You got it. Good.
Are we sticking?
We got it. Yeah. Hey, we bump heads. I'm sorry. Wow.
Be careful, Dad.
I'm trying. I'm trying, Beta. It was awesome, huh? You got it?
Got it?
You good? We're going after this group, he said. Don't flip. Gotcha. Turn around and sit back like this on the wall. There we go. Yeah, they all got helmets and stuff, but I think we'll be alright.
I think yours is extra.
Yeah, we'll be okay. There's a railing though, that's for damn sure. This is incredible, huh?
Rock and can.
Yeah. Yeah, they're helping us out a lot, huh? They're our guides.
I'm just.
Whoa, whoa, girl. See how the water's moving on that way? If you trip and fall, you're gonna go right down there. This is the coolest thing you've ever done right here, this trail. Hiking these cliffs. Yeah, there's a water slide up here that they're gonna go down. Whoa, careful there. Careful, careful, careful. I got an idea. Let's go up on these rocks. Come here. Alright, you can't move. You gotta stay right here in your booty. Come here. Don't move, Beta.
Don't move.
Don't move. We're gonna sit around these rocks. This is nuts. I can't even believe we're doing this with these girls. The boys are doing great, but these girls are doing damn good.
Those guys are helping me get up because I can't do all by myself.
Yeah, they're helping you out.
And you're helping Dana out.
Yeah. I gotta help both of you guys out as much as I can. Whoa! Yeah, you get your ankles stuck.
Your underwear's popping.
Falling down. Got the sun coming in on us in this little canyon. Puerto Rico. You were in Costa Rica last year, silly goose. Oh my God, they're way up there. Jeez, this is sick. But yeah, if I had my my Epic water filter, the Everywhere filter, I could scoop this shit up right here and just drink it right out of that water bottle. Got the Every Tap filter and the Everywhere filter. The Every Tap filter is basically just your household drinking water, you know, tap water. Here's 70 contaminants, keeps you hydrated all day. Then you got the Everywhere filter where you can go in places like this, scoop up this water right out of the stream. Fixes 200 contaminants of any freshwater source. Obviously not ocean water and stuff like that, no salt water, but you can literally take it right out of the stream if you're thirsty and drink it. But I forgot the damn thing at home. But we're in Costa Rica right now. Puerto Rico. We were in Costa Rica last year. We're in Puerto Rico right now in the Yunque Rainforest, doing this crazy hike up here with waterfalls, water slides. They're about to go down here. It's just pretty awesome. And yeah, stay hydrated. Hydration on the go, no matter wherever you are. High five, girls. Bah, bah. EpicWaterFilters.com. Promo code Bliven, 15% off. Let's go, Brock.
Let's go, Rocky.
Damn. Nice. Let's go, right? Damn, that's crazy. Go, kid. There we go. Trying to get the shade. You gotta cover up the sunlight just glaring down at us. Let's go, Tessie.
Mommy. Mommy.
Go, mommy.
Go, mommy.
Woo!
Mommy,
Nice, you did it. Good job. Yeah, that was sick. How do they get back up though? Is the question.
Huh?
So how do they get back up there? Where are they at? In that little cave over there? Dang. Are you girls want to go back in the water over here? You want to sit right here for a little bit? Yeah, that was sick. good. Be careful coming in this way though, because your feet will get stuck in them rocks.
It's super cool, but like the drop, it's like up kinda, and then you just drop down.
I know, it looked pretty cool. Watch, watch your feet right there. So is that like a cave in there on the other side?
Yeah.
Really?
Small little cave though.
Yeah. That's very cool.
Alright guys, follow me. We're going to the other one. Yeah.
Let's put your thing on.
We're going 3, 2, 1. Ready? We're going 3, 2, 1.
Just like this? That was awesome. We did a good job. Good. Hold on. Let him get over here. Oh, you're good. You're good.
Not yet.
Oh, damn. That was crazy.
That was good. Good job.
High five, Ada. God dang, you're nuts. That was scary. I think she's gonna go with my other daughter. Like they're having trouble swimming, so just grab the little one.
Okay, I'll try and be right with you.
Yeah, if I had to pick again, I probably wouldn't do it again with her.
Yeah.
There we go. Good job, good job. Woohoo! Good job, Amara.
3, 2, 1. Let's go. Vamos, we're going 3, 2, 1. 1.
Is it scary?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Where's the rocks? Anywhere?
Stand right there. That is not right.
Right here's good?
Yeah, you can jump that way, that way. That's for your power. 4.
That's crazy. I got 1% left. This is the end of it.
You gotta save it for the 40 foot.
God damn.
Well, they'll get it.
You're right. 40 foot. Go. Here we go. Go, Brock. Let go, let go. Let's go, kid. Climb the tree.